turn that disrespectful junk off.
Respect the classics, man. What a wonderful day. Sure is a great day to plant another garden. Oh. That hurts. Hopefully this will run off. I don't want to go to docks. Never been there. Never want to go there. It seems scary. At least I got you to talk to, Stanley. I think I'll go on a little drive.
Oh, hey, Red, what's up?
Oh, nothing much.
Ooh, that doesn't sound healthy. Might as well get that checked out.
I'm fine.
He probably doesn't want to go to docks. I know. Maybe I'll race him and trick him to get to the clinic. Red!
Oh, just speeding like that made my tank hurt. Just speeding like that made my tank hurt more.
Hey, Red.
Hi, McQueen, again.
What's up? I was just wondering if you wanted to take a race into town.
No, I'm okay. I'm hurting a lot of fires today. Yeah.
There's no fires in Radiator Springs today. Everyone's building's in it. He's just making excuses. I gotta go tell Sally and Mater. Hey guys, McQueen! Hey buddy, what are you up to?
Good morning, mi amigo.
Hey Holmes. Hey McQueen, what's going on? It's about Red.
What's wrong with Red?
Well, his engine isn't doing that well, and he refuses to go to docks. I bet he's scared. I'm on the same boat as him. At least I used to be.
I was scared the first time too, but whenever I got into his clinic, he fixed me up right and good. So after that, I couldn't find my hood when I woke up.
I wonder what that is. Probably still down in that gulch. Maybe we should try and convince him to do something about it. I know, Sugar. How about I go over and talk to him? Maybe I can try and convince him to go to get a checkup. Yeah, Flo, you go do that. Ooh, I can tell right now from this distance that he does not look healthy. Let me go get this unhealthy fire truck a little cheering up. That's my wife, man. Hey, Red, honey.
Oh, hey, Flo. How are you?
I'm doing good, Sugar. Hey, when was the last time you got a tune-up at Doc's? Yeah, that's what I thought. You know, Doc Hudson is actually pretty good at what he's saying. I may need a paint up, but Ramon can fix that. But my bumper, even though I lost it, he is soon gonna give me another one.
Well, that surely is nice of him, but I'm too scared to do that. I'm sorry. I'm good. Maybe today or not today or never.
All right. Go on and live your life. I'll be right back, honey.
That is one stubborn fire truck. One stubborn little fire truck indeed. Flo, can it work? Hey, man, maybe I can get him. I seriously don't know what we could do with him. Look at him. He looks so sickly.
Well, I'll how red he is.
Lizzie, he always looks red. He's a fire truck.
What?
Hey, Red! Why not you go into my house of body art? I'll give you a free bargain. Good gift certificate. With a free check about docs.
Thank you, Ramon, but I just think that I'm too afraid. I'm just too afraid to get all pricked and pruned up by his tools. They're gonna be cold and they're probably gonna pinch and hurt a lot and I'm crying. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just a coward.
Don't apologize, man. I understand. We all feel your pain. Come on, don't you want a nice flame job on your grill? Okay. You're right, Flo. That is one stubborn little truck.
Maybe me and Guido can help it. See. Hey, let me go and check him out.
Why are we just like doing this and not being more persistent?
We are, honey.
Wait, what?
Red. Hi, Luigi. Oh, and Guido. What's up? How about a new tire? How about a new set of tires? You know, if you go to Doc's, you can get some new stuff underneath your rims. How about some nice white walls? Go to an emergency in style. Come on, the white walls, just like the black walls say, look at me, here I am. Love me. Oh, I really love that idea, Luigi, but yeah, I just want to stay here with the Stanley statue today. I really just want to be here for today. Oh, I need a drink of water. Too bad my hose can't reach my mouth.
Come on, Guido. Let's go. Ay.
You do not know what to do.
Hey, what's up, man? I think I know what that boy needs. Okay, I'm gonna go use my method, the good military one.
Sarge, I don't think that's a good idea.
Come on, boy. We need you to get to Doc's right now. Don't you mouth off to me, boy. Come on, move it. Don't you talk back to your commanding officer.
Okay. Sarge, that's enough.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to be that harsh on you. All the army instinct. No hard feelings, I hope.
None at all. None at all, Sarge.
Hey, man, show him some love.
Take a car wash, hippie. Now I can explain that clunking noise from earlier. It came from him.
Yeah, my engine's been so loud today. I don't know what to do about it.
You go to Doc's about it. Listen to my story, Red. Whenever I first came to town, when I was all nice and shiny, Doc fixed me up, and I became great. Sure, he might have stolen my hood, but still, it was all great. I loved it. And besides, the way those tools of his worked were miracles.
I suppose, but, Sally,
Yes, Red?
can you please come with me to him, to the Doc's for emotional support?
Of course, bud. Come on.
Let's go. Doc will be happy to see you anyway.
Okay. I sure do hope that Red gets better. Yeah. Hey, there he is. Hi, guys. I feel a lot better now. I'm glad I did this. Yeah.
He's all fixed up, guys. Fit as a thistle. As strong as a horse.
Thank you, Doc.
Anytime, Sally.
But, you know, you gotta get out of your comfort zone every now and then, Red. Come on.
How about that race? I was just about to ask. And yeah, I will get out. I will try my best to get out of my comfort zone.
That's all we ask, Holmes.
Oh, come on, baby. Let's head back to the cafe. Let's brew up that new artisanal souffle. I want to learn about that too.
Of course you do, hippie.
All right, McQueen, let's go. Ka-chow! I am so glad you did it.
Yeah. All right.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ka-chow!
Whoa! Ooh. I'm okay. Good prank, Red. It sure does feel good to be firing on all cylinders again. It sure does.
Dadgum right. The truth is said. Come on, everyone. It's getting dark.
And besides, I hear it's Shaboom night. Yeah, that means cruising. Absolutely.
So come on, everyone. Let's wow up the night.
Dadgummit. I better go check out the new hotel.
I'll come with you.
Let's go cruising. New motel is awesome.
I'd say so.
Doc's done for the night. I love you, Sally. I love you too, Stickers. But I'm glad we got Red to head to the clinic today. That tune-up was really needed. Yeah, I didn't even need an alarm clock. But yeah, I'm glad Radiator Springs is being the way it usually is. It's wonderful. What a wonderful day. Look how happy Red is. What a wonderful day. I love life. This day is so much better. Great night to a great day. I didn't say it so. It really is. My engine feels so much better. Alright, everyone. I'm gonna clock it in for the night. Night! I'm gonna go get some advice. Okay. Remember, people, get out of your comfort zone. You never know that you're gonna like something unless you try it. You know, there's no thunder without lightning. Ka-chow!
Life could be a dream.
It's all clear. You can head home.
That's weird. Didn't even find anything. It sure is odd indeed. No banshee. Mater must have been joking with us.
It was probably a prank from that rusty tow truck. I expected better of him. And of course, we must keep in mind that if Satan were to bring such a horrid creature down to earth, I'm sure it would be a bit more active. If anything, it would have been hibernating. If anything at all, I'd have seen something.
Yes, we understand, Tomby. I can't believe it. No banshee at all, Sarge. I know, Sheriff. No banshee at all. You might as well think that the tow truck was taking Fillmore's meds again.
What the heck was that? What?
Get out of here! Take cover!
Holy crap, you tumble! Oh. Let's go get him.